Hello, my Aquarians. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of July 25 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share, and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra to Live family. If you belong to my cusp signs, darlings, the reading is already out. This is for my zodiac babies. So let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, and then from the 21st to the 31st. Let's see what's coming up for you. Angels and spirit guides. First 10 days, please. We begin with the isolation. What's the heartache, my love? Abundance, celebration, compromise. So, if you are getting into a third party by any chance, you are going to get heartbroken. Why? Maybe the person who really wants to be might have a different choice, or it could also mean you're trying to say that, yeah, I'm really happy for you, but deep down inside you'll be a little sad. Or there could be some heartache you have been holding on to, not acknowledging, and then suddenly, you might have a happy realization and you might end up in tears. So, if you have been holding on to any such pain, please cry your heart out, because when you cry, you are venting out your emotions. Whatever suppressed emotions are in your blood cells, they are coming out. So, it's good to do that. Abundance, celebration, compromise, finances coming towards you, hierarchy, new opportunities. Your friends are going to be there to support you. Ideally, it's a good time. The first 10 days are going to be an amazing time, but there is some heartache, there is some pain, there is something that you are not acknowledging, and that is exactly what universe is trying to tell you in the first 10 days. My love, please acknowledge that pain. It's okay to listen to some sad songs, or to watch some movie, or to think about that incident and cry your heart out. If you are in pain, release it rather than holding on to it, is what universe is trying to remind you. Now let's come to the mid 10 days. That would be from the 11th to the 20th. Angels and spirit guides, mid 10 days, please. Slowing down, trust, guilt, intensity. You're in a hurry. For what? I'm not sure, but you're in a hurry to do something, okay, which is good. People are getting threatened by the kind of energy you have. People are wondering what's wrong with you, and suddenly how come that, that fiery thing is come up. That's perfectly fine. You could be on the right path, but will you stop overthinking? What is that guilt? What is that blame game? What is it that you feel you're not ready to accept, and that is why you're like, it's because of you, because of that situation? My love, rather than getting that old baggage and striving on that, can you see we have a garland of flowers which is trying to say there's nothing like that. Your mind is only creating that. Don't you think your logical monkey mind is confusing you? So take baby steps. Have faith in the universe. You're on the right path. Wherever you go, success will come to you. But don't you think you need to work on your logical side? Do the needful. You are my air babies, right? Now, let's come to the last 10 days, from the 21st to the 31st. we begin with going with the flow, postponement, friendliness, moment to moment. You have been thinking about someone, okay, or you have been extremely attached, rather you're fond, okay, but you are thinking whether or not I should take that leap of faith. Okay, we'll check with your love energies, but right now what it's trying to say is the more you delay, the more you keep thinking about the past and the future, you are missing out on something beautiful that's coming up your way. Going with the flow, friendliness, love is in the air. There is a strong collaboration, strong partnership coming up, which will reap in benefits. Now, for a 0.1%, if you think your relation or collaboration is not working, please sit down, talk, ask for help, and if you think still it is not working, part ways with your head held high. Don't get into the nitty-gritty of the blame game, which usually happens. Maybe you guys are going to be extremely busy in the last 10 days, so you might try to find a balance, but if you're not aware as to what is happening right now, you're going to miss, because by the time you overthink, time has flown by. Okay, and avoid any delays is what it's trying to say. Now let's ask your angels what guidance would they like to give you for this month. Angels and spirit guides. Focus on service. You know, the unicorn, you have a spiritual guru who is always guiding you, telling you, why don't you start focusing on your life? Why have you that, I don't know, zest or that curiosity that you feel you can handle people's lives and you can tell them what is right and what is wrong, just because you are an explorer, or you know, you are that kind of a person. But universe is, that's what even your angels are saying. Why? Is that your life? No. Let that individual lead their life. You should be focusing on your life, on your path. Do not get distracted. Okay. Now, let's come to your love life. Okay. Let's see what is it that they wish to tell you. Though we see love is in the air, let's see. One. Oh, beautiful. So, we have the sword and rose and wedding rings. So, the sword and the rose is trying to remind that gain clarity. Okay. Are there any power struggles? Because, you know, you have a tendency to control people. So, if it is, let go. Wedding rings, union, celebration moments, being a part of somebody's, you know, some union kind of a thing. It's a beautiful soul connection that's building up. Maybe for a few, you guys could be dealing with somebody. It's like, you know, you are with someone, but you have this magnetic pull towards that person because it's a soul contract, and you know what's best suited for you. Okay, you're smart enough to handle it. Now let's ask universe, what's next for you? Okay, if there is anything specific for you in this month. Privileged lady. A lady will play a very important role. Again, we have 12. 1 plus 2 is 3. This lady is highly qualified, much in poise, some hierarchy, carries a lot of wisdom. So, if you come across such a lady, maybe that lady will help you in your soul journey. Okay, it could be on your finance, it could be on some guidance, it could be on any level. So, a lady seems to be playing a prominent role for you in this month. So, how should I sum up this month? Get back on track. Okay, why? Because what happens is, if you are focused on what other people are thinking and doing, you are getting off your track. You need to have faith because something good is coming. I think you're being too judgmental, and there is a part of you that you need to acknowledge, which you haven't. that will always keep resurfacing. So darlings, acknowledge and let it pass through tears. Crying is the best medicine, as I say. Your angels are asking you, focus on your work, on your service, on your life. At the matters of heart, gain clarity. Don't create problems. Okay, don't be extremely controlling. Don't be over possessive. But yes, love is in the air. So beautiful unions, soul connections are building up, and a lady will play an important role for you in this month. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.